If you're seeing the GOG internal error out of string range message, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your game installed without wasting time. This problem usually happens for two main reasons. Either the path to your installer files is too long, or Windows is using a locale or character setting that conflicts with the installer. So let's fix both of those issues now. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. First, let's deal with the folder path problem. Open File Explorer and look for the folder where you downloaded the GOG installation files. If those files are sitting deep inside a long folder path, that can trigger the error. The easiest fix is to create a simple folder directly in the root of your drive. For example, go to your C drive and make a new folder called C GOG Setup. This keeps the path short and clean, which helps the installer read the files properly. Now move all of the downloaded setup files into that folder. Make sure you move everything related to the install, including the main.exe file and all of the .bin files. Once the files are in the new folder, check the main installer file name. If it has a long or complicated name, rename only the main.exe file to something simple like setup.exe. This can help avoid path or parsing issues during extraction. But here's the important part. Do not rename any of the .bin files. The installer depends on those exact file names to find the rest of the data, and if you change them, the setup can break completely. After that, run the renamed.exe file again and see if the installation starts normally. If the error is still there, then the next fix is to adjust your Windows regional settings. This error can also be caused by non-standard character structures in your Windows profile or by localized text settings that the installer doesn't handle correctly. To fix that, open the Windows Control Panel. Once it opens, click Region. In the Region window, go to the Administrative tab. Then click Change System Locale. In the list that appears, set the system locale language to English United States. This helps make sure the installer is using a more compatible language environment. Now, while you're still on the administrative settings, look for the option that says Beta. Use Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support. Check that box if it is available. This can resolve character encoding issues that sometimes cause extraction errors with installers like GOG. After enabling it, you'll need to restart your computer for the change to take effect. Once your PC boots back up, go back to the installer folder and try launching the setup again. In many cases, one of these two fixes is enough to get rid of the internal error out of string range message and let the game install normally. If it works, great, you're all set. If you still run into issues, double-check that the folder path is short, the main installer was renamed correctly, and none of the .bin files were altered. Those small details matter a lot with GOG installers. If this guide saved you some time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.